So yeah, hi, hello, and welcome to a new video. And I'm gonna show you how to make a car in JBig, in Roblox Studio. And this may look like the JBig car Lamborghini from modeled by Asimo and coded by CG, but this made by me. And look at the interior, bro. And you need a chassis tune for it. A chassis tune is a body which helps the car to move, and the climb must be off. So here's the A chassis tune. So you need to I'll give a description at I'll get a link at the description. So go and check it and attach to your car. But the car must be modeled by you. If you get from any other websites or something, a malware may be contained, or you may get a copyright. So better model it yourself. So yeah, just look at the interior and yep. So you see the here we go. One second. Yeah. So this is the 8 chassis tune here, and you can just change the car wheels size, like tiny or larger, as yeah, it's based on you and the car you model. So just a second. The Yup, and F1. Okay. Um, we can change the size of it and move it to the direction we want, and the folders and files must be attached, so the car would work perfectly. Okay. And yeah, just HS tune. Look at it. So yeah, and don't forget to like the video. Bye bye.